Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I'm featuring this, what is it, a rectangle punch and the Exciting Times stamp set. And we have this beautiful, lovely and beautiful paper. It's got foils to it. So it's a really big size box. And if you're curious on how to make it, it's really simple. Follow along with me and I will give you precise directions. This is a full sheet of cardstock. It is 8.5 by 11. So on the short side, I'm going to score at 1.5 inches. And 7. So I got to pull out my little arm here and push it all the way to 7. Okay, so now we're going to flip it around. We've got 3 3/4, 5 1/4, 9, 9 and 10.5. Fold and burnish all score lines. All right, we're going to remove some. So this is our flap. We're going to cut that. And then up on all of the score lines here, I'm going to wedge out. All right, that is what you should have. So with our adhesive, we're going to put some adhesive here and some adhesive here. Flip this down like so. All right, so on a flat surface, we're going to pull that up. And we're going to take that tab, we're going to sandwich the tab in between. So this one comes all the way up, and this one comes all the way up. So very quick and easy box to make. Designer Series paper. This is called Lovely and Beautiful. And we need 2 pieces sized 3.5 by 5.5. So it's just for the front and the back. And then we're going to use one for the lid. And that is 1 1/4 by 5 1/4. And that is our big box made. Look at all the things that you can put in there. Okay. We're going to use the Exciting Times stamp sets. I have the punch here that matches that stamp set. That is delightful. All right, kids, you don't have to write anything down. I will have a direct link to my blog post that has all the measurements, so don't worry. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you next week, Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.